Good morning, dear students. Let us start the new topics of chapter amines. In last video, we have studied about the introduction, the classification, and the nomenclature structure of amines. In this video, we will study about the preparations of amines. Preparations of amines. So there are a total 6 methods. The first method is reduction of nitro compounds. The second method is reduction of nitriles. The third method is reduction of oximes and amides. Fourth method is a naming reaction, that is Gabriel Thalamide reaction. Fifth method is again a naming reaction, that is Hoffman bromoamide reaction. The sixth method is the reductive amination. It is the reductive amination of aldehydes and ketones. So these are the 6 methods in your syllabus. Out of these 6 methods, the 5 are used for the preparations of primary amines. So let us discuss the first method, that is the reduction of nitro compounds. Now, the reduction of nitro compounds is done with 2 methods. First is catalytic reduction and the second is chemical reduction. Now this method is very important for the preparation of primary aromatic amine, because the primary aromatic nitro compounds are easily available and the primary aliphatic nitro compounds, they can commercially prepared by the vapor phase nitration of alkenes. That is why this method is commonly used. So firstly we will study the catalytic reduction. In catalytic reduction, a nitro compound will reduced in the presence of molecular hydrogen. Nickel or platinum is used as a catalyst and we will get a product, that is amine, and it is aniline plus 2 mole of water. Now there is a limitation under this method. What is that? If the reactant contain easily reducible groups, like we have para-nitrostyrene, what is the limitation? If the nitro compound contain easily reducible groups in this, and upon reduction the product will contain the compound in which both the groups, nitro as well as the reducible group, get reduced. So it is the limitation of this reaction, that if the reactant contain an easily reducible group, so the group also get reduced along with the nitro group. Second method is, this is the first method under reduction of nitro compound. The second method is chemical reduction. Chemical reduction. And the name of this compound is, it is para-ethyl aniline. Para-ethyl aniline. Next topic is the reduction of, next method is the reduction, chemical reduction. Now chemical reduction is done by adding hydrochloric acid to a mixture of nitro compound and a metal. Firstly, the metal here used are granulated tin or iron. So granulated tin, HCl we add. Firstly, an amine salt is formed having formula this. It is an amine salt. And on reaction with alkali and steam distillation, we get the final product, that is the amine, and it is aniline plus an oxide of tin. For example, if we have para-nitrotoluene, it is para-nitrotoluene, and on reaction it with HCl and iron, we will get same an amine salt. Firstly, we will get an amine salt, and upon reaction with alkali and steam distillation, we will get the para-nitrotoluidine. It is para-nitrotoluidine plus chloride. In this method, lithium aluminium hydride can also be employed as an reducing agent. Here, lithium aluminium hydride, it will also used as an reducing agent for the aliphatic nitro compound. Next, if we have a reactant in which there is a presence of two nitro group, that is meta-nitrobenzene, and we have to reduce only one nitro group out of these two, then a reducing reagent is used, and that is ammonium hydrogen sulfide, having formula this. It is ammonium hydrogen sulfide. So the product will contain one reduced nitro group like this. So it is meta dinitrobenzene, and the product is meta nitroaniline. Next method which we have to study is reduction of nitriles. Next method is reduction of nitriles. Now this method is used for the preparation of aliphatic and aralkyl primary amines. Again, it may be this reduction may be brought out by two methods, catalytic as well as chemical. It is catalytic hydrogenation, and it is chemical by using chemical reducing agents. Now, if the chemical reducing agent is sodium and an alcohol, so this method is called Mendes reaction. and lithium aluminum hydride is also used as an reducing agent. Next, we take an nitrile. Upon hydrogenation in presence of nickel and upon heating, we will get a primary amine like this, CH2NH2. For example, we are taking N-butyronitride CH3, CH2, CH2CN. It is N-butyronitride. Upon reduction in presence of nickel, heating to a temperature 433 Kelvin, we will get N-butylamine CH3, CH2, 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 NH2. This is N-butylamine. Now, the nitrile used here, it can be easily prepared by the reaction of an alkyl halide with sodium cyanide, and it again upon hydrogenation in presence of nickel as a catalyst, we will get a amine, and this amine will contain one more carbon atom as compared to this starting alkyl halide. So there is a increase in the number of carbon atom when we reduce the nitrile group. Next method is, that is the third method, reduction of oximes and amides. आपकी बुक में बाकी एग्जाम्पल्स भी दिए हुए हैं, आप वो भी स्टडी करोगे. Now, reduction of oximes. So oximes, what are the oximes? Oximes are prepared by the reaction of aldehyde and ketones with hydroxyl amine, and we will get in acidic condition, we will get the oximes. Either we get aldoximes or we get the ketoximes depending upon the starting reactant, that is aldehyde and ketone. So we are taking an aldoxime having formula this, double bond NOH. It is prepared from aldehyde, so it is aldoxime. Upon reduction in presence of sodium and ethanol, we will get a primary amine. So this is an primary amine. Similarly, we can use a ketoximes, double bond NOH. Upon reduction in presence of sodium and ethanol, we will again get a primary amine. Primary amine plus water. Now these are primary amine because of the presence of this NH2 group. Next is the reduction of amides. The formula for reduction amide is RC double bond O NH2. So on reduction with in presence of a reducing agent like lithium aluminum hydride, and upon hydrolysis we get a primary amine having formula this. So this is primary amine. Next is the fourth method of preparation, that is Gabriel phthalimide reaction, an important reaction according to your paper point of view. Gabriel phthalimide reaction, again this is an important method for the preparation of aliphatic and ara-alkyl primary amines. So this is an important method for this. Now What is phthalimide? Phthalimide have this formula in which the amino group, this amino group is have two carbonyl group which are adjacent to it. So this is the formula for phthalimide. In this phthalimide reactant easily converted to its potassium salt on reaction with potassium hydroxide, and it is an acidic group. Why these hydrogens are acidic? Because of the presence of two carbonyl group which are adjacent to this NH group. And firstly, an potassium phthalimide is formed, C double bond O, N positive, N negative, K positive, C double bond O, this. So this is potassium phthalimide. It again reacts with an alkyl halide to form an N-alkyl phthalimide. C double bond O, C double bond O, N R, and a water molecule is released. Here the released product is the potassium halide. So this is N-alkyl phthalimide. Upon hydrolysis, acidic or basic, we will get phthalic acid. Or a primary amine having formula this. So this is phthalic acid and this is primary amine. So this is all about the Gabriel-phthalimide reaction. Let us start an example. In which we are taking N-ethyl phthalimide. It is N-ethyl phthalimide. On hydrolysis, we will get phthalic acid. A phthalic acid plus ethyl amine. Now, it is also possible to get a primary amine from its N-alkyl phthalides by their hydrogenolysis. Like, if we are taking the same example, N-ethyl phthalimide, कि अगर हम क्या करें hydrogenolysis, like we are taking a hydrazine having formula this. So upon hydrogenolysis, we will get a primary amine plus the thalahydrazine having formula this NH double bond O. So this is a ethyl amine. This is the same N-ethyl phthalimide, and upon it is hydrogenolysis. Now in this method, acidic or basic hydrolysis of phthalimide is done. Next is the fifth method, that is Hofmann bromamide reaction. Again, an important method for the preparation of amines. So in this method, An amide, sorry, it is R C double bond O NH2. An amide form an alkene containing one carbon atom lesser than the parent amide on reaction with bromine and potassium hydroxide. For balancing, 4 molecules of potassium hydroxide are used, and the side products here are potassium carbonate plus potassium bromide plus 2 molecules of water. So if we are taking benzamide, this is benzamide on reaction with bromine, alkaline bromine water, or you can say alkaline chlorine, plus 4 KOH. The product form is aniline. It is aniline plus potassium carbonate plus potassium bromide plus 2 molecules of water. Now next we have to study the mechanism of this reaction, which is very important. What is the mechanism for this reaction? Mechanism of Hofmann bromamide reaction. So there are a total of 5 steps under this reaction. Firstly, an hypobromide ion is formed by the reaction of bromine with potassium hydroxide plus KBr plus water. So this is the hypobromide ion, and it is potassium hypobromide ion. Now what is the first step? In first step, the amide group will halogenated. This is an amide group. It will react with the hypobromide ion and first step is the halogenation. Halogenation of this amide, this N group of amide, it is RC double bond O NHBr plus hydroxide ion. So this is the halogenation of amide. In the second step, the hydroxide ion will abstract a hydrogen from this N halogenated amide group. So an hydroxide ion will abstract the proton from this N halogenated amide group. We have a compound like this, N negative Br. So this is the abstraction of this steps is the abstraction of hydrogen atom from the N halogenated amide. In third step, this species N negative and this species will lose the bromine atom to form a electron deficient nitrine. It is nitrine plus Br negative. Here the side product releases water. Next, in the third step, the bromide ion will leave from this nitrogen atom to form a electron deficient compound, which is nitrine, and this is electron deficient species. In the fourth step, this species will undergo 1,2 alkyl shift. It will undergo 1,2 alkyl shift like this. the lone pair of nitrogen will move here, and the alkyl group along with its bond pair will move to the nitrogen atom to form isocyanate. This is isocyanate. In the fifth step, the isocyanate form, it get hydrolyzed to form an amide. So the isocyanate on hydrolysis, it will form an amine plus carbonate. So this is all about the mechanism of this reaction. Next is the evidence. Evidence in favor of this mechanism. In favor of the mechanism. Sorry. So what are the evidences? So there is a great suppose that the intermediates which are formed under these steps, step 1, step 2 and step 3, they can be isolated under the suitable reaction conditions, and on treatment further we will get the expected Hofmann products. So these the intermediates under step 1, 2 and 3, they are isolated under suitable condition, which shows that the mechanism of this reaction is this. And second, upon reaction proper Hofmann degradation on further treatment, they will give the expected product. Next, in the fourth step, there is 1,2 alkyl shift. In the fourth step, we have 1,2 alkyl shift. In 1,2 alkyl shift, there is complete retention of configuration. There is retention of configuration. That means the transfer of these lone pair to this and the alkyl group to this nitrogen, they can take place simultaneously. That means migration of R group with its pair of electron to nitrogen atom, and transfer of electron pair from nitrogen, they can take place simultaneously. Therefore, it will occur with a complete retention of configuration, and this is found actually by the study of compounds containing chiral atoms, carbon atoms. So there are two evidences. The first is that the intermediates, they can be easily isolated under suitable reaction conditions, and the second one is the migration of R group with its pair of electron to the nitrogen atom, and the transfer of electron to this, they can take place simultaneously, and it is studied using the chiral carbon atoms. Next method is the reductive amination. Of aldehydes and ketones. So Aldehydes and ketones, they can change to the primary amine with the on reaction with hydrogen and ammonia and a temperature of 373 Kelvin and 150 atmospheric pressure in the presence of a catalyst. So if we are having an aldehyde like this, on treatment with ammonia, firstly we will get an aldimine, RCH double bond NH. This is aldimine, aldimine. On reaction with hydrogen in presence of nickel, we will get a primary amine. It is the primary amine and it is aldehyde. Similarly, we can take a ketone. On reaction with this, we will get a ketamine. It is the ketamine. Further reaction with hydrogen in presence of nickel, we will get the primary amine. Next is the mechanism for this reaction. What is the mechanism for this reaction? The mechanism involves it will be like this. Now, due to the presence of these oxygen and carbon, oxygen have the more electronegativity and carbon have the lesser. So there is partial negative charge over the oxygen atom and partial positive charge over the carbon atom. So the nitrogen of ammonia will attack to this carbon atom and the bond electron move to oxygen atom. Firstly, we will get this species. There is a proton shift from ammonia group to the oxygen having a negative charge. We will get this NH. In the next step, a water molecule is released by this type of arrangement and aldimine or ketamine is formed like this, and on reaction with hydrogen in presence of nickel, we will get this. Again, like ammonia, primary amines can also react with the aldehydes and ketone to give the secondary amine, and secondary amine will also react with the aldehyde and ketone to form the tertiary amines. Like if we have benzaldehyde, this is benzaldehyde, on reaction with primary amine, that is methylamine, it will change into